Hello everyone. Welcome to my series on English grammar. Verbs are tricky, difficult to understand, and sometimes very confusing. Many students make mistakes. They pick up a wrong verb, and such mistakes lead to miscommunication. If you want to know how to avoid such mistakes related to tenses, do watch this video. This is quite informative. It will give you easy tips and tricks and complete information about present simple tense and present progressive tense and the common errors related to them. Watch this video till the end, because in the end part I will discuss about the most important part of the video, that is common errors related to these tenses. This is part 1 and this is Rekha Sharma. Let's start the video. What is a tense? A tense means time. The tense of the verb shows the time of action, whether the action is taking place in present time, past time, or future time. See the examples. What is the day today? Suppose today is Friday, so present time. And what was the day yesterday? The day which is gone, or the previous day? Yesterday was Thursday, so this is past time. What is the day tomorrow? Tomorrow is Saturday, so this is a future time. So there are 3 main tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present simple. Present simple is also known as simple present or present indefinite. Present indefinite means we are not definite about whether the action which is said in present simple tense finished or not finished. It also expresses routine, repeated action, universal truth, habits, process, facts. For example, what is your routine? I go to school every day. This is my routine. What is the universal truth? The sun rises in the east. This is a universal truth. Habitual action. My father goes for a walk every day. Process, your water cycle. And facts. Scientific facts. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So they are expressed in present simple tense. There are some time expressions, keywords, which also help us to tell about the tense. Always, daily, seldom, often, usually. I always speak the truth. They play in the garden daily. They seldom tell a lie. I often get late for school. I usually do my work on my own. So we can use these time expressions also. See the examples. She takes tea every morning. Habitual action. The sun sets in the west. General truth. Here comes the train. This is an exclamatory sentence beginning with here. It can also begin with there also. There she goes. So, such sentences express what is happening actually at the moment of speaking. So, here comes the train means the train is coming. So, we have used here present simple tense. The show starts at 4 o'clock, future event. So, what are the verbs used here? Takes, sets, comes, starts. So we have added s to the first form of the verb. And these verbs are called singular verbs in present simple tense. When we add s or es to the first form of the verb, then it becomes a singular verb. And the basic rule says a singular subject takes a singular verb. Verb forms. Children are generally confused whether they should use go or goes, do not or does not. So let's clear our doubts and have clear concepts. We use first form of the verb. Remember this. There are three forms of verbs. First form, second form, third form. First form tells us present time. So we use first form of the verb in present simple tense. For example, read, go, play. And they are called plural verbs. We also add s or es to the first form of the verb. And the verb becomes reads, goes, and plays. And this is called singular verb. A plural subject takes a plural verb and a singular subject takes a singular verb. So what are plural subjects? Let's see. I, you, we, they, and plural nouns, boys, girls, they take a plural verb. You may question, I is a singular subject. Yes, you are right. I is a singular subject. But English is full of exceptions. So I take the verb plural in present simple tense. You may be a singular or a plural both, but you always take a plural verb. So don't be confused. I go, you go, we go, they go. Okay? Go is a plural verb. With singular subjects, he, she, it, and a singular noun, we use a singular verb. For example, he goes, she goes, it goes, Ram goes. So we add s or es to the first form. How to make affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence in present simple tense? First of all, let me know about the negative forms. Plural verb read, it is converted into do not read. And singular verb reads, it is converted into does not read. Some students write does not reads. That is wrong. We write first form of the verb, be does not or do not. Affirmative sentence, I attend my class daily. When the sentence is not negative, this is called affirmative. I do not attend my class daily. This is negative. Do I attend my class daily? This is interrogative. The question. See the structure where we put not. We put not after do or does. How do we write a question? Yes or no question? We begin a yes or no question with do or does, then subject, then main verb, then object, and time expression. This is the structure. So learn it. Next tense is present progressive or present continuous. As the name suggests that the action is in progress at the moment of speaking. And the time words used here at this time, now, still, these days, look, listen. What are you doing at this time? She is learning a lesson now. He is still working. I am reading a novel these days. Look, the train is coming. Listen, you are not damaging or destroying the furniture. So, we use such time expressions. See the examples. She is watching TV now. Is watching shows action in progress. I am reading a novel nowadays. Am reading shows a temporary action which is not actually happening at the moment of speaking. My uncle is arriving Delhi tomorrow. Is arriving is showing the action happening in near future. Look, it is raining heavily. The sentence is in imperative mode. This is very important. and children often make mistakes. So learn these verbs. These are the verbs which are generally not used in continuous or progressive form because of their meanings. The verbs are the verbs of perception or senses, we can say see, hear, taste, smell, notice, recognize. We can't say I am seeing, I am hearing, I am tasting, I am smelling. We can't use these verbs in continuous form. We use them in present simple tense. That is, I see, I hear, I taste, I smell, I feel, I like, I love, I hate. Not I am feeling, I am liking, I am loving, I am hating. No. So read these verbs and learn them. If have is expressing the meaning possess, then also we don't use it in continuous form. I'm having a car. This is wrong. I have a car. This is correct because have shows possession. Similarly, I am thinking, I am believing, I am remembering, I am forgetting, I am knowing. We can't write them in continuous form. They are wrong. I know, I forget, I remember, I understand. So use present simple verb forms. Now the verb form in continuous or progressive tense. We use the helping verb is MR and the first form of the verb and plus ing. Subject plus is MR plus first form of the verb ing plus object. This is a structure you have to follow. I am reading, he is reading, they are reading. With plural subject are, with singular subject is, and with I only we use am and the verb first form of the verb plus ing. How to make affirmative sentence? I am eating a lot these days. So am eating verb negative. You are not wearing the dirty shirt to school. Are not wearing negative sentence. So we put not after is MR. Interrogative, we begin the question with is MR and then subject accordingly, then main verb plus ing, then object, and then time expression. This is the structure you have to follow. If the question begins with WH word, suppose where, then after where we are using the helping verb, then subject, then main verb. Where are you going? Very important part of the video, don't miss it. Common errors related to present simple tense and present progressive tense and how to correct them. I am hearing the roar of a lion. I am hearing. Is it correct or incorrect? Incorrect. Why? Because here can't be used in continuous form. It can be used in present simple tense. So the correct answer is I hear the roar of a lion. Not I am hearing the roar of a lion. My father is going for a walk every day. Is going. This is the habitual action and the habitual action is expressed through present simple tense. So goes is correct, not is going. I am respecting you. I respect you. So I respect you is correct. I am respecting you is wrong. The sun is rising in the east. So this is universal truth or general truth and it is expressed in simple present, not continuous form. So the sun rises in the east is correct. Our success is depending on our hard work. General truth. We believe in hard work. Hard work is the key to success. So our success depends. This is correct. Is depending wrong. We are having a big house. Have shows possession. And when it shows possession, it can't be used in continuous form. So we use have, that is correct. More examples. I am thinking she is right. Thinking is the verb of mental state. So it can't be used in continuous form. It is wrong. The correct is I think she is right. Okay. But English is full of exceptions. So if I am thinking is used and it is expressing the meaning, planning or considering an idea, then it is correct. Next example, the flower is smelling good. Smell again is the verb of perception and it can't be used in continuous form. So is smelling wrong and smells is correct. I shall wait till you finish your meeting. So if the main clause is in future time, then the time clause or helping clause will take the tense that is present simple tense, not present continuous tense. So you finish is correct. More examples. Now the subject verb agreement or the subject verb concord, many students they don't know what is it. They are not clear about it. So I have made a separate video on subject verb concord. If you have not watched it yet, do watch it. They plays football daily. They plays. So plays singular verb and they is plural subject. As the basic rule says, the plural subject takes a plural verb. So how can it take a singular verb? So it is wrong. They play football daily. This is correct. She do not speak English correctly. Do not speak plural verb in negative. She is a singular subject, so no match, no agreement. So the correct answer is she does not speak English correctly. Where you playing today? So something is missing here. Helping verb is missing here. So grammatically the sentence is incorrect. So the correct answer is where are you playing today? So this is correct. Thank you very much for watching the video. And if you like it, so do like and share your views. Next video will be on next two tenses. So don't forget to watch. Keep watching.